Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this particular edit, like a modern edit, photo edit on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So install the Photolab application from the Play Store and just open the application. Now you will just need to click on this category option on the last, and now you just need to search as set for read. So set for red. You will see only one filter I just talking about. Just click this filter. Now select the image that you just need to create this effect. So I just going to select this image. Now click on the next option for the processing. After creation of image, click on the third option on the top. You will see an option called save as device, save to the device. You can also make a video story also. Click on this download option on the downside. After, you can just save it to your gallery. You can directly share to the Instagram also. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.